The HP 942 memory training error code 1701 indicates a potential issue with the random access memory. This error can be caused by several factors, including compatibility problems, overloading, and the presence of dust and dirt. To fix this error, it is essential to apply the most effective solutions. Firstly, using compatible RAM units is crucial. When purchasing RAM sticks, ensure they are compatible with the motherboard or with each other, and only use genuine, manufacturer-recommended RAM. Additionally, avoid overloading the machine by not running too many programs simultaneously, and opt for programs that are not too demanding on the RAM. Cleaning the RAM sticks is also necessary. This can be done by shutting down the computer, unplugging the power cable, opening the case, grounding oneself by touching an unpainted metal surface, removing the memory modules, wiping them down with a lint-free cloth, and then reinstalling the modules. If these solutions fail to resolve the issue, the computer may require servicing.